Hey everyone, and welcome back. Stuck in back-to-back meetings? Let's fix that by properly setting up buffer time in your scheduling tool. I'll show you exactly how to do it in Calendly. First, log into your Calendly account and select the event type you want to edit, like a 30-minute consultation on the event configuration page. Scroll down to the section labeled Availability. Here, you'll find the settings for buffer time before event and buffer time after event. Toggle these on. For buffer time after event, I recommend starting with 10 or 15 minutes. This creates a central gap between appointments, giving you time to wrap up notes, use the restroom, and prepare for your next call. This buffer will now be automatically applied to every single booking for this event type. The time before and after your meeting will be blocked off as busy on your calendar. Remember, you need to do this for each of your event types individually to have complete protection, and that's it. You've just automated your schedule to prevent burnout and keep your day running smoothly. If this gives you back your sanity between calls, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.